High above the earth, Lord Krishna and Lord Shiva gazed down. They were on Shiva's abode, Mount Kailash, which floated effortlessly amongst the clouds. From this divine balcony, they had a perfect view of Prayagraj, a city shimmering on the banks of the holy rivers, Ganga, Yamuna and Saraswati. "Look at them, Shiva," chuckled Krishna, his peacock feathers swaying gently. "They come seeking blessings, forgiveness, and maybe even a little divine intervention." Shiva, ever the picture of serenity, smiled faintly. "Indeed, Krishna, Prayagraj has always held a special place in people's hearts. It is a confluence of faith, a testament to the enduring power of belief." Prayagraj, explained Shiva, was more than just a city. It was a tirtha, a crossing point between heaven and earth. "It is said," Shiva continued, his voice deep and resonant, "that Brahma himself conducted the first ever sacrifice here at the beginning of time." Krishna nodded, his eyes twinkling. "Ah yes, the Kumbh Mela. Every 12 years this place transforms into a sea of humanity. Millions gather to bathe in the sacred waters, seeking spiritual cleansing and liberation. They watched as devotees thronged the streets, their faces alight with devotion. Sadhus with ash smeared on their foreheads chanted mantras, while families offered prayers at ancient temples. "Such faith," murmured Krishna, "it's humbling, isn't it?" "Indeed," replied Shiva. "To witness such unwavering belief reminds us of the profound connection between the divine and the mortal." As they watched, a group of children played by the river, their laughter echoing through the air. The sight brought a smile to both their faces. "For in their innocent joy," said Krishna, "we glimpse the true essence of Prayagraj, a place of hope, faith and renewal." And so, from their celestial vantage point, Krishna and Shiva continued to watch over Prayagraj, their divine presence a silent blessing on the city and its people. They were the eternal guardians, forever bound to this sacred land by the threads of faith and devotion.